Hello, I would like you to explain you today what is minimum viable product. We use this approach at Kitopi because this is the way to deliver real-world solutions to real-world problems. We'll start from the definition, then I will show you the example we had, like in the project. So we want to deliver the solution to some problem, let's say it's an application, the software application. So it will make a minimum and it will also be viable, so it will work in the production, not just only to showcase some prototype. And I will show you how we can go through the process of thinking of this MVP. And it should be like the below. So we start from something that is working, like a skateboard. Then we iterate, we incrementally add value. So at some point we have a bicycle, and maybe at the end we have a car. And on the top is the example how it should not be. So we in separation build wheels, in separation we build other parts of a car, and at the end it will work. And the integration is the painful part, and it never happened as in the upper example. Another big plus in the below workflow is that from day one somebody can use it, so we can get some real world data how the people are using it. Okay, I will use the Miro board to show you some flow. And here are some stickers, how we were thinking this workflow should go. This is about onboarding new restaurants, then choosing country. This is the important part, adding recipes and ingredients. Then is some validation, and we export it to another system. So the important thing to realize is where is the value, and also to show this. Like right now we know this is what really solves the problem, and other steps are just only helping it. So for sure we can remove we don't need to choose the country, because we will start from where we are in Dubai in UAE, so we can just make it default, so we don't need this sticker. There are two stickers with we should block the editing of the recipe, and also this I would like to remove them, because we can tell to the users that at that point they should not edit it. And let's say I'm doing it right now, and I'm bringing here, so explain to the restaurant that editing is forbidden because of some ongoing verification. And here's something similar also about explaining to the restaurant that they should not edit the recipes anymore. And of course it's also deleted. Some may challenge this, because it a lot of time happens that if we just explain something to the user, he will forget it, he will not do it, and he will be editing this system, even if he or she should not. And we can just now ask questions. Will it be harmful for us or not? We'll start from here. So what are the problems when he will edit it? It will just not be in our ERP system. So he will edit it, but it will not reflect anything. So no big harm. When somebody will in this step try to edit it. Of course, it can here make some harm, but as we dig deeper, it will be not much. We still have the best of the checks we will have here, and we can deal with it, or we can see how it will work in the production. If it will be a lot, like we'll gather data, yeah, like 1% or like 10% are some wrong data, and then we have to just correct it, and maybe in the just after we release the first initial MVP version, we will make here something that it will be blocking from editing in this part. Also important, and of course we will release it sooner. Yeah? This is the whole point of this MVP approach. Also, we can block the editing for couple different ways. And right now, when we are thinking about the planning the solution, and we want to deliver the value that is here as fast as possible, we don't want to think about some details at the end. So thank you for attention. This is just the example of minimal viable product.